Welcome to Must or Bust on the Showstopper Shows. Today I am trying Crinkle fries, new from, you saw it here, Arby's. Let's see if these are a must or a bust.
Must or bust.
All right, you saw it in the open. This is a crinkle fry. It is from Arby's. Let me taste it without ketchup first because you just want to get that good flavor. See if it is a good flavor. Let's go. All right, and I got a pack of ketchup, so I'm gonna dip it into the ketchup. Actually, I'm gonna just squeeze a little right on here, just like you do if you're having to drive and eat at the same time. If you noticed, I'm in a new vehicle. I'll give you guys a tour of that in a future video. Definitely better with ketchup. All right, so let me break that down for you. No need to waste any time. For me, that is a very, very basic tasting French fry. Not a whole lot of flavor. I definitely get the greasy, salty flavor that you would get from a French fry. But as French fries go, that's very bland. I know a lot of people like to dip fries in, say, nacho cheese sauce, and Arby's has that. These would be perfect for that because they are so plain and bland. There's not any seasoning, it's just salt. So it's a very basic fry. Like, I could make it at the house and make it in my air fryer like my wife does, and they're amazing, and I've done it too, and they're really good. That is just a very bland, basic fry. When you go to Arby's, you go for something else. Let me reach into my bag over here. You go for these. Now those are where it's at. When I get these again at Arby's, only if I'm getting cheese sauce. That's gonna be my take on that. So, are these a must or a bust for me? To be honest with you, it's a bust. I'm not getting these again. Going forward on my videos, what you're gonna see me do, if I have something that's a bust, I'm literally going to either bust the entire item physically or some of it. I'm about to do something for you guys on the Showstopper Shows. It's a first, and you're gonna see it happen right now. Here we go. Now it's a bust. So, if you liked the direction my channel is taking, here the Showstopper Shows must or bust. If it's a bust, I'm literally gonna do what no food reviewer is doing out there, and I will bust it. Give this video a like if you like the direction this is going. So don't forget to subscribe, and also please go to my Instagram and follow me there. I'll be posting stuff there too. This is what happened with the French fries. We have nice tire marks in there. It's actually still warm. Okay, so may the force be with you. May his presence be with you always. Put a bow on this show because that's a wrap. The show stops here. Never quit, y'all. If it's a must or a bust, it's gonna be reviewed right here. There's videos clicking up here. There's videos clicking up here. And there is a circle in the middle with my Must or Bust logo. Click on that to subscribe. Thanks for watching. The show stops here. Never quit, y'all.